Shit. Hey y'all, I'm back. Can you believe I'm back? Welcome back. Yes, I'm back. God damn it. I was so excited. Listen to me. Anytime you make a Sunday meal on a Monday, full meal, how do you do a full meal and not have the dessert? So I said, well, shit. My job, what I do is cooking. So I'm going to make you a dessert. Well, I've already made the dessert. Here is my keto brownies. Look at that. Keto brownies, I made them yesterday. They're absolutely amazing. I'll tell y'all what's in it later. Shit, I was following recipes. And listen, y'all, the funny thing is, when I was in New Orleans growing up, I went to culinary school, right? And actually, no. The culinary school was here. I went to Trade Tech. And I had to go to, through baking. So when they told me I had to go to baking and I couldn't just go to cooking like we can do now, I quit. I quit the damn school. So right now I'm about to make some heavy whipping cream right in front of you. No, heavy, what is it called? Yeah, heavy cream. You know that one. But I'm about to do it live with y'all. Guess what else? I ain't never did it before. Y'all know I love doing some shit I ain't never did before with y'all. So you can see that if I fuck up, you too can fuck up. I am Coach Cabrini, the Gangsta chef. I'm always dishing up some food and some food for thought for your subconscious mind. Today is Monday, honey. I'm trying to show y'all that Monday is fabulous. Robin, Monday is fabulous. So, here we go. All right, so I'm bringing y'all in. Now y'all not going to see me because I'm about to take y'all to the bowl. Y'all see the bowl? There's the bowl. Hey, Pamela Bailey. Hey, Pamela Bailey. All right, y'all, we're going to the bowl. All right. 2 cups. People, write this shit down. Don't be asking me, Cabrini, what's in it. Don't be asking me that shit. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, people. You got to make sure it's cold, ice cold, but not frozen, okay? 2 cups, heavy whipping cream. Ooh, here we go. Now let me get my spatula because I need every single drop of that there. Hold on, y'all. Do y'all see all the dishes I cleaned? Look, y'all see all them dishes I cleaned from today? All right. Get all that juices out of there. Okay, wait. Do y'all see that? Okay. I got everything out. Okay. All right. Now, they told me in the directions to do it slow. Now, you got a cheap blender. Listen, I'm not on the Tyler Perry set yet. So I got a cheap blender, y'all. Hold on. Can y'all see? Let me bring this shit up. Hold on. And I'm going to get my camera crew in a minute. All right. So, hold on. Here's my blender. I don't have low, medium, and high. I got high, Gangsta, and Gangsta extra high. So I got to learn how to work with this mixer, y'all. Y'all see it? I know I called it a blender, but potato, never mind. It should be a blender. Okay. So now, I'm going to add I've already added 2 cups of heavy whip. Now, swerve. This is what we do for keto instead of sugar. So I am doing 2 teaspoons. Okay? Y'all got that? 1, 2. All right. Now, it didn't tell me to mix this shit, so maybe it'll mix it around when y'all, hold on. We're going to do this together. Here we go. Hold on to that spatula. Okay, now this is for my vanilla. We got vanilla coming, okay? All right, here we go. All right, y'all. Jesus, keep us near the cross. Okay. y'all see? Now I gotta do this. I gotta do this for 2 minutes, y'all. So hold on. It looks like it's coming together. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Look, you guys, look. Oh my goodness, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna add vanilla. Did y'all notice I got an extra hand? Okay. I wanted a little extra. It's getting fluffy, everybody. Hold on. It's looking amazing. Oh my God. Wow, can y'all see that? Wait a minute. Look. OMG. Oh my God. You guys, look at this. I made heavy whipping cream. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Wait. Oh my God. Look at that. Now, here's the thing. I was playing with y'all and it's a little bit too hard, but it's absolutely beautiful. Let me put it. What? Okay, I'm putting on my brownie, y'all. Hold on. All right, wait. I want to get some more. Wait, I didn't taste it. Let me taste it. Hold on. Okay, that's going to go in there now. It's not sweet enough. Damn it. Okay, so now I know that if it calls for, I just need to add a little more sweetener. But it's still good. Okay, so now let's taste it with the brownie. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Hold on, y'all. Okay, let me turn it around and point it. Okay. Y'all see that? That's beautiful. Okay. So now, let me taste it. Look at that. Look at that amazingness. Y'all ready for me to eat it? Where am I? Oh my God. Here's what's interesting. The brownie is sweet enough, and it actually counters the lack of sweetness in the whipped cream, which makes it absolutely lovely. Boy, boy, boy. Now listen, when you're on keto, you got to make sure you can't be eating, you know, do your macros and your micros, people. But this one piece is perfect for me. With the meal I had tonight that I cooked for you guys. So today, I had the perfect Sunday, Monday meal for you. All in which to show you that you don't have to have a Sunday meal on you don't have to have a Sunday meal on a Sunday. You can also have it on a Monday. And have fun. And fall in love with yourself. And you don't need nobody else but you. But I was lucky enough to have all of y'all with me. So thank you. Happy Monday to you. And make every Monday your Friday. Every day is Friday, right? So if you eat right, if you think right, if you drink right, you can't help but feel right. I love y'all. And I can't wait to bring you another video where I'm cooking some shit that I ain't never cooked before. Because guess what? Every single thing I did tonight, except for the Brussels sprouts and the cauliflower mash. Well, actually, in my cauliflower mash, I've never added green onion, which made it amazing. So, pretty much the Cynthia Cornelius tri-tip roast was amazing. And I've never prepared a roast before. So I'm looking forward to making dishes for you, showing you how you too can be gangster in your own kitchen. I love you.